Hi guys, all right, this is Sonic here. Okay, this is me, Sonic, and James, my partner. All right, we will be talking about weekly analysis for week number 6, 2018. We are on 5th of February 2018 at the moment. Okay, so there are certain development that it looks like very exciting is coming. Look like very exciting as well. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, all right. The first thing I would like to talk about is Dow Jones. Okay. Okay, it has been a while since they are really on the uptrend, as you can see from my screen. From the left to the right, they are all the way uptrend. Okay, in my opinion, it is a very good time for us to retrace. Okay, actually, I have been bearish for a while. Actually, it's already hit our target level already, but I think they can stay go down further first, because for the reason being, the one of the main reason being is that if you notice, like from the late 2018, that mean in the month of December, right, they go all the way up but without much of the volume, right? You can take a look from the here. This is very similar case, just like a Bitcoin. Okay, market can rise with the volume can be very without the volume can be very dangerous. Okay, let me repeat. When the market is rise without the proper volume supporting, it can be very dangerous. One of the reasons is being because there wasn't much of the participant in the rise, so that when they fall, if they fall, and most of the time they do fall, right? They can fall pretty fast as well, because there wasn't any much of the participation in the first place. Okay, during the time they rise up. Okay, so now I'm expecting it will go a lot lower. Okay, but doesn't mean that it will go straight down or something like that. I'm not very sure about that, but it can stay go a lot lower. So what you should be looking at is, you should be looking more on the short setup only. All right, and try to look for nice low risk entry, and you trigger a short. For example, now is they are sort of like make a intraday rebound. Okay, maybe they can even go up to 26k level again for as a retest, right? And and after that they can go back down, because you see, when the market is really selling down, what will happen is that a lot of people jump on the wagon. I mean, they continue and sell it down, but they sell it with a very tight stop loss, in the hope that they can make a quick profit. All right, most of the time they do, but sometimes market just string them right back up just to kill them as well. So just be careful as usual, but I am standing on the bearish side. All right, I'm expecting, okay, in the longer term, okay, maybe in a month time or so, I think they can go easily to around this 24600 level, or even 24350 level, around this region. So it's gonna be a big down. Yeah, now it's around 253. So I'm talking about another potential 2000 pip drops. Okay, so I'm bearish right now, and I'm in a really great profit at the moment as well. I'm looking more forward to add more short position. So let's see how it goes. All right, let's see how it goes. Okay, another one. Okay, another one will be this one. Okay, so I would like to talk a little bit about the Aussie US dollars. All right, Aussie US dollars at the moment is, they have a pretty nice sell down. Okay, in my opinion, they might be due for a rebound in the making, but I do not think they will go back above 0.8 level again. So if you are looking for a short, and if you are looking for a nice entry level, I think 0.8 will be a nice place for you to enter a short, in my opinion. All right, so I think the bearishness will come in again and again, because I would like to mention to you that this week we will be having the major pairs that you need to talk about is three of them. The first one is the Aussie. All right, as you can see from here, the second one is this rate decision, New Zealand rate decision, and the third one is British pound rate decision. So these will be the three main items that you need to take note of. And additionally, as a secondary, of course, we will be having tomorrow. We will be having Draghi will be speaking as well. So this week gonna be very busy week. Yeah. Okay. So let's right back into the analysis. So I'm expecting Aussie US dollars to go down further, but they may swing back up a little bit first. So please take in consideration in your trading plan. All right. Okay, another one that I would like to talk about is the Nikkei. All right. Okay, Nikkei is on just very similar to the Dow Jones as well. They have been rising for quite some time. All right. Then what I would like to warn you is that right now Nikkei sell down back to the already back to the support level already. So it's consider, okay, consider if you're shorting right now, I think you are slightly taking a bit of risk at the moment. Of course, they can break down this level, and I think in the longer or medium term or longer term, they will break down. All right, it's just that what I'm just to warn you is that they may bounce up a little bit first. So if you are looking for a short, don't short with a very tight stop loss. You must take in consideration of the potential of them bouncing back up as well. So I'm looking for a short, and I'm gonna be in a short for quite some time, but I will be taking so-called take consideration of the potential bounce up as well. Okay, so I will rather wait some of the entry. Let's say the markets go back up, I'm not going to blindly keep on shorting it. Let it go back up first, and wait until there's a prominent resistance level. When they start to show with the bearish candle, I will try to short it down from that higher level, right? Because being a seller, right, of course you want to short it as high as possible, right? Okay. So this brings me to another one, Aussie JPY. All right. So at the moment, what is happening in the market is that we are pretty much on the risk off environment, right? So risk off mean, of course, JPY will strengthen. JPY will strengthen means JPY pair shall go down. All right. And of course, CHF will strengthen as well. And of course, the stock will be in a negatively impact as well. So this is what exactly is happening. Few weeks back, I have already predicted they will go back to here, and really indeed they really went down there, and they are now bouncing back up. So what they are trying to do is they are trying to bring back up in terms of AJ as concerned. All right, but I do not think they will go back all the way up. In my opinion, they will go up for a few days, and they will fade that again. So it's very similar as Nikkei. I will be only looking for a short at the moment. Okay, all right. So last but not least, let me talk a little bit about Bitcoin. Okay, guys, Bitcoin, we have been bearish since 18,000 levels. I hope you heed our advice, and at least you make a good use of that. All right. So at the moment, Bitcoin stay very bearish. Okay, I was expecting they will bounce up soon, but the market force is too strongly bearish on the market. You can see that they don't even swing it right back, or they don't even go side with it, immediately go straight away going back. So what might be happening, in my opinion, is they can go lower back to 7,300 level, or worst case scenario, they can even go back to 5,700 level. So this is what might be happening. So at the moment, if you are looking for a long, or if you're waiting to long, please do not do that at the moment. All right. If you are looking for an immediate long, at least, okay, let them come back above 8,000 first, because the chance of the price going down lower compared to reaching back to 8,000, if you compare this to going down, is higher, right? So if you are looking for a long, please be patient. I expect they can go back up to this 5,800 level. Okay, so let's take a look and see how it goes. All right, the Bitcoin. If you're looking for a long, please be patient. All right, because I can tell you that the 2-4 or 3-4 within a month, within 2 months, this kind of scenarios are over, guys. All right, you know what is going to happen if the Dow Jones, if the Bitcoin should rise. All right, what's going to happen is there are a lot of people get stuck in these big range. Okay, I will say around 12K to even to 18 to 19K level. So what do you think what they're gonna do? Once the price rise up, they're gonna sell it, man. I mean, there are a lot of people waiting to sell at the high level. Okay, either with a small loss, or less loss, or whatever. Okay, but there will be a lot of negative force are waiting at the above level. So in order for price to rise above and break out this level again, they need to have a lot of strength. So careful. We are pretty much on the seller market at the moment. So if you're looking for a buy, just relax first. All right. So thank you very much. To conclude, we are in the risk off environment. All right. US dollar might rise. All right. Then the US dollar might rise. JPY pair will go down, and in stock index and the stock can be negatively correlated as well. So I will see you guys next week again. All right. So thanks, James.
Okay, so I'm the presenter now. All right. The first pair that I'll be talking will be the pound to the Japanese yen. So this is the weekly time frame. So after price has been lingering over at this resistance level, they decided to break upwards. So with the last candle on the last week, it's still showing some pretty nice bullishness. It created a new resistance level, this resistance zone at this 156 level. So previously 2 weeks back, we see that price has some difficulties breaking upwards of this. They tried its way to go higher but get pushed down end of the last 2 weeks. All right, and then last week when price was going above this 156 level, we can see that price also get pushed back down. So I'll be looking at this 156 level as a very nice resistance level to take a short counter trend trade. All right, do note that the overall trend for pound to Japanese yen is still quite bullish. So I'll be looking to have a counter trend trade to short it down towards the next support level at 153.775, and even better if price could go all the way to 152. All right, so I'll be looking for some potential bearish setup in the daily time frame to have a short trade taken. Second would be the pound to Canadian dollars. All right, so for pound to Canadian dollars, it's almost the same as the pound to Japanese yen. 2 weeks back, we see price is supposed to create a get pushed back down as it approached this 1.76 level. So last week it still ended up as a very nice bullishness with pound strengthening. All right, so in this upcoming week, I'll be looking at this level 1.7647 level and see if I could have a bearish setup coming in so that I could have a short trade with a pretty much low risk entry. So my first target of support area where price could possibly get would of course be this kind of level, previous resistance level 10 to support. So 1.74, and secondly, if price could go even lower, would be this 1.725. All right, so this is my view on the both pound to Canadian dollars and Japanese yen. In the higher time frame, we are still pretty bullish. So whatever trade we take, I would take profit as soon as I could when they reach a certain level of support zone. Lastly would be euro to Canadian dollars. All right, so in the weekly time frame, we can see that euro to Canadian dollars has some rejection showing in over here. All right, so this was the previous resistance level and price has some difficulty breaking upwards. So they went down towards the next support level and just blow up easily. All right, passing through the support, passing through the resistance level, which now in turns become a support zone at this 1.51 zone. All right, so with this support still holding, overall I'm still bullish on it. So where could the first level of support to enter a nice long trade would be around this 1.536 level, or even better if it goes all the way down towards the 1.51. So where I'm looking that price could possibly go would be this 1.55534, this kind of swing level, or even better if they could go until this 1.58 level. All right, so for the time being, I'm still pretty bullish on euro Canadian dollars, but bearish on the pound Canadian and to pound yen. All right, so this is the our analysis for this week 6. All right, so thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next week. Thank you.